Hi everyone, Galbi's here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make 쏘야볶음, mini hot dog sausages with vegetable. We are going to pan fry them with Galbi's special sauce. You will have to boil sausages. I've got a good trick. You don't really have to boil it. You just need to pour hot water into a bowl. And then wait for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to chop the vegetables. You need quarter onions. Cut them into a cube. Slice the carrots. Four slices. And same thing, you can chop them. Now we are going to cut the bell pepper. I'm just gonna use quarter of it. Slice them into a cube. Rinse them with cold water. I'm going to slice them the halfway. One. Just like this. All of them. Put some vegetable oils and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You'll be able to smell the garlic's fragrance. You're gonna put the sausages into a pan. And then put some vegetables. Two tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, put 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 pinch of sugar, maybe half tablespoon of gochujang. And I think I'm done. Now let's enjoy the food. I got some rice and 쏘야볶음. So yummy, very delicious. The vegetables are still crunchy. If you overcook it, the vegetables gonna become mush, so you don't want that. So make sure vegetables are crunchy. Sausages have to open their mouth like this and put it in your mouth. With the rice, 쏘야볶음, yummy. So did you guys enjoy the video? It took me about 15 minutes to cook it. Super easy and delicious. You're gonna try this out. Don't forget to give me a thumb and subscribe. So I'll see you next time. Bye.